If a data analyst using Power BI, you know that Power BI does not have a native connector for your social media platforms such as your Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Also, your marketing platforms such as HubSpot and Go High Level. Let me show you today the website that you can use to analyze data from these platforms. It is called Windsor AI. Windsor AI has over 345 connectors to various platforms. You can see some of that on your screen, such as TikTok, Snapchat, and even Shopify. In order to use this platform, you just need to sign up. It opens up to this first page, showing you the list of all the connectors on the right-hand side pane. You can search for any connection in this particular case. Right now, I want to use the TikTok organic. You just need to grant access to access data from this platform. I've connected to my TikTok page. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on Next. When I click on Next, I have this particular option of the data showing, sample data showing. I can add more fields. Right now, I have profile views. There are several fields here. You can select the one that you're interested in analyzing. You can click on Comment. It updates this on this particular screen. I can see the number of comments as well as the video ID. You can search for as well. And this will update with that particular field that you've added. You can also select the date range of interest. Right now it's on the last 7 days. I can add last 28 days, for instance. I want the data for the last 28 days. When you're done with this, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on Save to save the query. I'm going to name this TikTok last 28 days. Then click on Save. Then I can view my saved queries here by clicking on Save Queries. I can copy this query as well. Just click Copy the URL, right? The next thing is data destination. There are several platforms that you can use to analyze this data. You can even use ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, and Connect. You can also use NX and a whole lot of things. But today we're going to be using Power BI Desktop. So I have it open over here. I'll click on Web, on my Get Data. Click on Web, click on Connect. Then I'm going to paste the URL that I copied earlier and click on OK. And you can see that we have our data in here, the date, the source, the account name, username, profile views, and comments. All the fields are selected. Now you can proceed with analyzing your data in Power BI. This is a very good website. The link to this particular website is in the description if you want to try it out. Like and follow for more.